Hi, my name is Richard Lee. I'm CEO of Delphax Solutions. Delphax has had a very busy year. In April, we released the ELAN HD 500, which is a CMYK press capable of printing sheets 18 by 26 at 500 impressions per minute. That product is doing well, but we recognize that customers, both existing and future, are looking for monochrome options to replace their EP devices with a more cost-effective solution. On the basis of that, here at Printing United 2019, we're releasing the ELAN HDM, which is a monochrome inkjet press powered by Memjet's VersaPass technology that provides options for people to print over 200 images per minute simplex or 400 images per minute duplex. The system prints at 1600 by 1375 DPI and utilizes BDT's SIS feeder and stacker options to provide cost-effective means of paper transport. We also use the Global Graphics Harlequin HHR system to drive the product, which ensures that we have more than enough horsepower to provide print-on-demand applications, direct mail and transactional opportunities. The ELAN HDM has had a fantastic reception here at Printing United 2019. We'll be releasing the product in the early part of 2020. For more details, you can visit us at www.delphaxsolutions.com, and hopefully we'll see you there soon. Thank you so much.